So to have you start. Well, I am Dr. George Leung. I am an assistant professor in the Department of Pharmacology and Pharmacy, and I mainly teach pharmacology and pharmacy practice in the medical faculty.
Yeah, welcome, Dr. Leung, and here's the interview. The first question is: have you ever heard of biological evolution?
Yes, I have heard about that, but well, only in my secondary school. Well, in my university undergraduate or postgraduate study, I study drugs. Okay, all my knowledge is from the secondary school. Okay, according to what I know, well, it is somehow related to the genetics and the natural selection. Because of the genetic variation, we have different types of animal and plants from time to time. Okay, but because of perhaps the weather change or something else, okay, some animal or plants may be killed. Some animal or plants may survive. Only the best can survive. Okay, so this is a evolution. The evolution I know.
Oh,
Yeah.
have you ever heard of creationism as well?
Well, I'm not very sure what the
Creationism.
Creationism is. Well, it may be related to the God, but well, personally, I don't believe. I don't have any religious belief. Okay, but well, but I will agree that okay, that the first organism is created, okay, by certain mechanism. Okay, like for example, well, the explosion or the weather. So I heard a story. Okay, I think I quite believe that. Okay, many years ago, okay, there is a lighting. Okay, because of the lighting, okay, this lighting provide a lot of energy. It combine the nitrogen and hydrogen together. Okay, and well, after the reaction, some amino acid is formed. Okay, and after a long time, those amino acids may be combined together to form a protein. Okay, and after many years later, those protein they may different type of protein may combine together to form a cell. Okay, so I think the first cell is really created by some mechanism that we don't know. Okay, so the first organism I think is created. Okay, by certain unknown mechanism.
So, do you think that it's important for us to think about the origin of life?
I think it is interesting because well until now we still don't know how the animal or plant is created. Well, scientifically it is very interesting, and I think a life is a really miracle. Okay, from cell to a human, I think it takes many years, more than 1 billion years. So, but well, of course the history of human is very short. But somehow when I look back the history, I think, well, although the history of human is very short, the development is very quick. So somehow I'm quite proud of being a human.
Do
Yes.
do you agree that creationism and evolution should be taught at school?
You mean the secondary school?
Yeah.
I think it should be taught, okay, because well, as I mentioned, it is a very interesting topic, okay, and it can help you to understand how the life is created. So I think, well, scientifically, it is a very interesting topic. Yeah.
If you have to choose which one, evolution and creationism, do you believe more?
I think I believe both, okay, but evolution is well, I believe more, okay, evolution. Okay, I buy this concept. Okay, like creationism. The only problem is that I really don't know what mechanism create the first cell. Okay, like this is still a mystery. Okay, so I cannot prove whether it is true or not. But for the evolution, I think well the logic is acceptable. Okay, so I tend to believe the evolution more.
Thank you, Joshua, and that's the end of the interview.
So thank you.